Do you ever wake up feeling sluggish, unmotivated, or just plain grumpy? We've all been there, but don't worry, in this video, we're going to share some simple and effective tips for boosting your mood and energy levels. These habits are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can help you feel happier and more energized in no time. Get ready to take notes and let's dive in. Tip number 1, move your body. Moving your body is a simple yet effective way to boost your mood and energy levels. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals that can help reduce stress and anxiety, boost mood, and improve overall well-being. You don't need to engage in a rigorous workout to experience the benefits of movement. Even a quick walk around the block or some gentle stretching can help increase blood flow and oxygen to the brain, making you feel more alert and energized. One of the best things about movement is that it can be incorporated into your daily routine in a variety of ways. Whether it's taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for a walk during your lunch break, or doing some simple stretches while watching TV, there are countless opportunities to get your body moving throughout the day. In addition to improving mood and energy levels, regular movement can have a positive impact on overall health. It can help maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes, and improve overall physical fitness. So, next time you're feeling sluggish or down, try moving your body in a way that feels good to you. Whether it's a gentle yoga flow or a high-intensity cardio session, the benefits of movement are sure to leave you feeling happier and more energized. Tip number 2, get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial to maintaining a good mood and energy levels. The National Sleep Foundation recommends adults aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, though individual needs may vary. Establishing a regular sleep schedule can help regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up at the same time each day. Try to stick to a consistent sleep routine, even on weekends, to help maintain a healthy sleep pattern. If you find it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep, there are a few relaxation techniques you can try. Deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and meditation are all effective ways to calm the mind and prepare for sleep. Avoiding caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine in the hours leading up to bedtime can also help promote better sleep. In addition to improving mood and energy levels, getting enough sleep has been linked to a variety of health benefits. It can help boost the immune system, improve memory and cognitive function, and reduce the risk of obesity, heart disease, and other chronic health conditions. If you struggle with getting enough sleep, it may be helpful to speak with a healthcare professional who can provide personalized recommendations and treatment options. By prioritizing good sleep habits, you can improve your overall health and well-being and feel more energized and productive throughout the day. Tip number 3, fuel your body with nutritious foods. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet is essential for maintaining good physical and mental health. The food we eat provides the fuel our bodies need to function properly, including maintaining energy levels and regulating mood. To fuel your body with the right nutrients, focus on consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. These foods provide a range of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are essential for maintaining good health. In contrast, processed and sugary foods can lead to energy crashes and mood swings. When choosing foods, aim for a balance of macronutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. Carbohydrates provide the body with energy, while protein helps build and repair tissues. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, and avocado, can help improve brain function and mood. In addition to choosing nutritious foods, it's also important to pay attention to portion sizes and eat mindfully. This means slowing down during meals, savoring each bite, and being aware of your body's hunger and fullness cues. This can help prevent overeating and promote a healthy relationship with food. By fueling your body with nutritious foods, you can maintain stable blood sugar levels, prevent energy crashes, and improve overall mood and well-being. So, next time you're making food choices, think about how each food will nourish your body and choose the option that will help you feel your best. Tip number 4, practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a simple yet powerful way to improve your overall mood and well-being. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life and expressing gratitude for them, you can shift your mindset towards a more positive outlook. One way to practice gratitude is to take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. This can be as simple as writing down 3 things you're thankful for in a gratitude journal, or taking a moment to silently acknowledge the good things in your life. Research has shown that regularly practicing gratitude can lead to a range of benefits, including increased happiness, improved relationships, and reduced stress and anxiety. By focusing on the good things in your life, you can cultivate a sense of appreciation and contentment even during difficult times. In addition to practicing gratitude on your own, you can also incorporate it into your relationships with others. Expressing gratitude to loved ones, colleagues, or even strangers can help strengthen connections and promote positivity. So, next time you're feeling down or stressed, take a moment to reflect on what you're grateful for. It can be something as small as a good meal or as significant as a supportive friend or family member. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you can improve your mood and overall sense of well-being. Tip number 5, connect with others. Humans are social creatures, and our relationships with others play a vital role in our mental health and well-being. Connecting with others can help reduce feelings of isolation and loneliness, promote positive emotions, and provide a sense of belonging and support. There are many ways to connect with others, including spending time with friends and family, volunteering in your community, joining a social group or club, or simply striking up a conversation with someone new. The key is to find activities and relationships that bring you joy and fulfillment. Research has shown that social connection can have a range of benefits for mental health, including reduced stress, increased happiness, and improved self-esteem. It can also provide a sense of purpose and meaning, as well as opportunities for personal growth and learning. If you're struggling to connect with others, there are many resources available, including support groups, therapy, and online communities. Don't be afraid to reach out for help if you need it. In summary, connecting with others is a crucial aspect of maintaining good mental health and well-being. By making time for meaningful relationships and activities, you can reduce stress, boost your mood, and increase your sense of belonging and support. So, take a step towards connection today, whether it's calling a friend or signing up for a new social group. And that's a wrap on our tips for boosting your mood and energy levels. Remember, healthy habits don't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you can feel happier, more energized, and more fulfilled. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.